Hi everyone, welcome to Sunanda's Academy. Today, we are going to explore something that surrounds us all the time but is often invisible to us: the atmosphere. The atmosphere is like a protective blanket that covers our planet Earth. But what exactly is it? And what are its different layers? Let's find out. हम हिंदी में भी कुछ important points समझेंगे. The atmosphere is a layer of gases that surrounds our planet and is held in place by Earth's gravity. It is made up of several gases, including oxygen, which we breathe, nitrogen, which makes up most of the air, carbon dioxide, which plants use for photosynthesis, and small amounts of other gases.
जैसे कि ऑक्सीजन और नाइट्रोजन के बिना हम जीवित नहीं रह सकते, वैसे ही एटमॉस्फेयर के बिना हमारे लिए जीना मुश्किल होता। ये गैसेस हमारे जीवन के लिए बहुत जरूरी हैं।
The atmosphere is divided into 5 main layers, each with its own unique features. These layers are
Troposphere, troposphere. This is the layer where we live and where all the weather happens. Rain, snow, storms, etc. The troposphere extends up to about 8 to 15 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The air here is densest, and it contains most of the atmosphere's water vapor.
ये वही लेयर है जिसमें हम रहते हैं और जिसमें सारा मौसम होता है, जैसे बारिश, तूफान और बटाल।
Stratosphere, stratosphere. Above the troposphere is the stratosphere, which extends from about 15 to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. This layer contains the ozone layer, which protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays.
इस लेयर में ओजोन लेयर होता है जो हमें सूरज की हानिकारक यूवी किरणों से बचाता है।
Mesosphere, mesosphere. The mesosphere is the layer above the stratosphere, extending from about 50 to 85 kilometers above Earth. It is the coldest layer of the atmosphere, and this is where most meteors burn up upon entering the Earth's atmosphere.
ये वो लेयर है जिसमें मीटियर्स या शूटिंग स्टार्स जल जाते हैं। इस वजह से ये पृथ्वी तक नहीं पहुंचते।
Thermosphere, thermosphere. The thermosphere extends from about 85 to 600 kilometers above Earth. This layer is very hot, and it is where the auroras, northern and southern lights, occur. It's also where the International Space Station orbits.
इस लेयर में टेम्परेचर्स बहुत हाई होते हैं और यहीं पर हम नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल पर रोशनी देखते हैं, जिसे ऑरोरास कहते हैं।
Exosphere, exosphere. The exosphere is the outermost layer, extending from about 600 kilometers to 10,000 kilometers above the Earth. Here, the atmosphere gradually fades into outer space. This is where satellites orbit the Earth.
ये एटमॉस्फेयर का लास्ट लेयर है जिसमें एटमॉस्फेयर धीरे-धीरे स्पेस में मिल जाता है।
The atmosphere is essential for life on Earth. It provides us with the air we breathe, protects us from the sun's harmful radiation, and helps maintain the planet's temperature. Without it, life as we know it would not exist.
एटमॉस्फेयर हमें जीवित रखता है, सूरज की हानिकारक किरणों से बचाता है और पृथ्वी के टेम्परेचर को बैलेंस में रखता है।
The atmosphere also plays a crucial role in weather patterns and climate, supporting ecosystems and human activities. It is quite literally our life support system.
Indeed, the atmosphere is a delicate balance that sustains life, making it vital to protect and understand it better.
By preserving the atmosphere, we ensure a healthy planet for future generations. Every action counts in maintaining this balance.
So let's cherish and protect this invisible shield that makes our existence possible.
Together we can make a difference. Let's act responsibly and spread awareness about the importance of the atmosphere.
A final image of the Earth with all the layers of the atmosphere clearly labeled. Now that you know about the atmosphere and its layers, you can appreciate how vital this invisible blanket is to our survival. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sunanda's Academy for more educational videos. See you in the next lesson.
आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी? कमेंट्स में जरूर बताइए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।